In this video, we'll be swapping out the filters on a Coway AirMega 200M. This is a new air filter from Coway. We'll be using a brand new one, but the process is the same whether you're replacing an old filter or getting a new model ready to go. First off, we're going to remove the front filter. It's called the Deodorization Filter. Next, we're going to remove the second filter. It's known as the true HEPA filter. You'll note that that one is actually directional, so you want to put it back in the right direction. Always make sure to remove these plastic covers. It includes them. It's even installed with them from the factory, but you have to remove the plastic covers in order to get the filters to work properly. With the filter removed, we're going to reinsert it into the air purifier using the arrow as a guide. The arrow will always face in the direction of the airflow. It'll hold itself in, and next we want to replace or insert the deodorization filter. This has a frame, and the frame goes on the outside of it and it clips in to the body of the air purifier. Before inserting this, you want to remove the protective plastic from the carbon filter on the inside. This filter is not directional, so all you have to do is fit it into the frame and clip the frame into the air purifier, and you're good to go. When you replace this filter, you only replace the black cloth-like part. You don't replace the outer filter on it. That's just a protective mesh that'll stop any large debris from getting into the filter. That needs to be cleaned, but never replaced. The frame is then placed in, and you'll get a firm click using the two clips at the top. At this point, the filters are completely replaced, and the air purifier is good to go. You just want to put the outer cover back in place. This has 2 feet on the bottom. Those slide into the body of the purifier, and then you click it into place. You'll feel a firm click, and you'll know the process is over.